Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already know your phone unlock method. Now act. Open Settings and go straight to Location, or swipe down and tap the Location tile. Once there, you'll see a system-level location switch. Toggle it off to stop apps and services from using GPS. Make sure to pause on any prompt about changing permissions, because turning the master switch off is the fastest way to cut location access across most apps. After switching off, stay in Location to handle app-level controls. Once done with the master switch, dive into app permissions inside Settings. Right arrow apps to see which apps had access. For each app, choose Allow only while using the app or Deny to prevent background tracking. Background location is the common culprit. Next, go back and disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning plus Google location accuracy to reduce indirect positioning. These system features can infer location even when GPS is off, so make sure to turn them off to truly limit location collection. Finish by verifying the Quick Settings tile and the Location screen both report location off. Then open your Google account settings and disable location history and web and app activity so cloud logs stop accumulating. Restart your phone to ensure changes take effect. If apps still report location, make sure no device admin app or profile re-enables tracking. Revoke admin rights if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if location seems stuck on, check for a VPN, enterprise profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.